The grace period for missed student loan payments ends today. That means starting in October, missed payments will begin to impact your credit score. Our David Sackreder joins us in the studio now. And David, this brings an end to a program that started during the pandemic.
That's right. Payments actually restarted last year, but the Biden administration offered a 12-month on-ramp where you could miss a payment without penalty. Now that on-ramp is coming to a close.
So on October 1st, the chickens come home to roost on student loans and you have to pay them back.
Starting Tuesday, if you miss a payment, not only is your credit score going to take a hit, but you could also have money taken directly out of your paycheck.
Payment will be due as it has been for the past year, but now if they don't pay, that's going to be reported. So to credit bureaus and the Department of Education can collect on those.
That's it. There's nowhere to hide. You can't declare bankruptcy and run away from student debt. It is what it is, and regardless of how you got it or why you got it, you've got it. And having your credit ruined is about as bad of a strategy as you can get, and having your credit ruined and having your wages garnished would be the double whammy.
So what can you do? If you can't afford your loans, Gary Fisher recommends going to studentaid.gov. There you can use their loan simulator tool to find a better deal on your loan. You can also call up your lender directly and work with them to find a payment plan to make the bill more manageable.
Say, hey, I'm struggling, I'm having some problems, I know this is going to be a big issue, so what can we do to work around it? Many people will find that they're amenable to making some arrangements to set up a payment plan. And if you set up a payment plan, you can forestall garnishing and horrible credit ratings as well.
There is a lot of options out there. Repayment plans can vary quite a bit based on your abilities at that time, so taking advantage of that is huge.
And while the Biden administration has kicked around a few different plans for student loan forgiveness, both Fisher and Cyrus say don't bank on those going into effect. Pay the loans before they do long-term damage. In studio, David Sackreder, ABC 12 News.